Hello, little explorers, and welcome to our magical story time. Today, we're joining a very special friend, Little Elephant, on his big ABC adventure. Are you ready to help him find all the letters of the alphabet? Let's go. One sunny morning, Little Elephant woke up with a wiggle and a happy trumpet sound. Today was the day. He was going to have an ABC day. First, he found a big red A for apple hanging from a tree. Munch, munch, munch. It was so juicy. Then, bouncing by was a bright B for ball. Little Elephant tapped it with his trunk, and it rolled away. Chasing after it, he almost tripped over a C4 cat, who was curled up, purring softly. What's next? A D4 duck waddled past, quacking a friendly hello. Little Elephant continued his walk and looked up high. What's that? It's an E for eagle, soaring gracefully in the sky. Wow. He then saw a beautiful F for flower, smelling so sweet. He gently sniffed it with his long trunk. Giggle, giggle. A silly G for goat was nibbling on some grass nearby. The goat had a funny little beard. And what's that tall thing? Oh, it's an H for house, with a bright red door. Knock, knock. Who lives here? A tiny I for iguana scurried out, blinking in the sun. Little Elephant waved hello and continued on his path, where he found some J for jam. It was strawberry, his favorite. He dipped his trunk in for a little taste. Yum. A friendly K for kangaroo hopped by, carrying a little Joey in her pouch. So cute. Next, he met a majestic L for lion, the king of the jungle, taking a sunny nap. Let's be quiet. Little Elephant tiptoed past and spotted a mischievous M for monkey swinging from a branch. The monkey chattered and waved. Looking down, Little Elephant saw a cozy N for nest with 3 little blue eggs inside. Soon, they will hatch. Oh, look. An O for owl, with big round eyes, hooted softly from a tree. And waddling in a puddle was a playful P for penguin. Splash, splash. Little Elephant was having so much fun. He met a quiet Q for quail who was pecking at some seeds on the ground. A bouncy R for rabbit with long, floppy ears hopped past in a hurry. Where are you going, Mr. Rabbit? A slithery S for snake was sunbathing on a warm rock. Then, Little Elephant heard a choo-choo sound. It was a T4 train, chugging along the tracks. Wow, so many letters. Under a big, shady tree, Little Elephant found a U for umbrella, just in case it rained. A V for violin was leaning against the tree, waiting for someone to play a beautiful song. What's that windy sound? Whoosh. It was the W for wind, blowing the leaves all around. Little Elephant looked at a map and saw an X marks the spot. X for xylophone. Tapped it gently with a stick, making a wonderful tune. As the sun began to set, Little Elephant felt a big yawn. Y for yawn. It had been such a long and exciting day. He found a striped Z for zebra, getting ready for bed. Little Elephant had found all the letters from A to Z. He snuggled up with his mama, feeling happy and sleepy. What a wonderful ABC day. Great job, little explorers. You helped Little Elephant find every single letter. You are all amazing alphabet adventurers. It's so much fun with you today. Don't forget to subscribe for more fun stories. See you next time. Bye-bye.